Three little friends. A rabbit named Cutie, a kangaroo named Garu, and a monkey named Tally lived in a jungle. Cutie, Garu, and Tally were good friends. They spent lots of time together chatting and having fun. Cutie and Garu had never been out of the jungle. But Tally used to go out of the jungle very often. One day, when Tally returned to the jungle, she looked for her friends Garu and Cutie. She found them at the riverbank quenching their thirst. Tally went to them and said, "Hi friends, today as I went out of the jungle, I came across a vegetable farm in which I saw many kinds of vegetables." Cutie asked, "Can you name the vegetables you saw?" Tally answered, "Yes, they were radishes, carrots, beetroots, potatoes, arum, tomatoes, cabbages, cauliflowers, lady's fingers, cucumbers, long beans, brinjals, and pumpkins." Cutie said, "Ah, my favorite vegetables are all there." Garu asked Cutie, "What are your favorite vegetables?" Cutie answered, "Radish, carrot, cabbage, and cauliflower." "Ah, my mouth is watering." Tally said, "Would you like to come with me tomorrow?" "Cutie, you can have your favorite vegetables, and Garu, you can have fresh and juicy grass." Garu said, "Going out of jungle is very dangerous, and so we better remain here and be happy with what we get." Cutie said to Garu, "I would like to taste those vegetables, so I am going with Tally. I'm tired of eating dry grass from this jungle." Garu said, "Life is more precious than food. If an enemy attacks us, what shall we do?" Tally said, "I am there to help you. Trust me. We can have lots of fun when we are together." So Garu, wanting to make her friends happy, agreed to go with them on the following day. The next day, they set out on their trip to the vegetable farm. As they went along, they had lots of fun. They told jokes and asked each other to find the answers to the riddles. When they reached the farm, Cutie was happy to see her favorite vegetables, and she was confused as to what to eat. Garu was eating the fresh and juicy grass. But when she was very alert, looking around to see if any enemy was around, Tally went in search of cucumber. As they were busy, all of a sudden, Garu saw Tally running in fear. She climbed the nearest tree and jumped from one tree to the next. Garu called out to Tally, but she did not even turn to look at them. Garu looked around and saw at a distance a big hunting dog coming at top speed. Garu came running to Cutie and said, "Run! Let us save our lives. A hunting dog is chasing us." They both began to run. They could not see Tally anywhere. Cutie was not able to run as fast as Garu, but though Garu could run faster than Cutie, she was running with Cutie because she did not want her friend to be alone. Cutie said, "I am tired. I can't run anymore. Please, Garu, you run and save your life." Garu said, I will not leave you alone. If you have to die, let us die together. If we have to die, let us die together. Suddenly, Garu got a bright idea and said, Cutie, come on, get inside my pouch. I will carry you. Come on, quick. Cutie immediately got inside Garu's pouch. Garu saw that the dog was getting closer to them, so she ran as fast as she could, escaped from the hunting dog and saved their lives. When they reached the jungle, Cutie came out of the pouch and she thanked her faithful friend who saved her life. Tally saw them from a distance and came towards them and said, How did you escape from the dog? Garu and Cutie were angry with Tally and said, You said you would help us if there was any danger, and when we needed you, you ran away without even informing us of the dog which you saw. How can you say you are our friend? Tally said, In that moment of fear I was confused. She apologized for her behavior and asked them to accept her as their friend as before. Of course, it was not easy for Cutie and Garu to accept Tally again as their friend. But as days went by, they forgave her and accepted her as their friend. Cutie and Garu never went out of the jungle after that incident. They were happy and contented with the food they got from the jungle. Their friend Tally used to bring vegetables for Cutie and fresh grass for Garu. They lived happily as friends till the end of their lives. So, moral of the story is, a friend in need is a friend indeed.